The good recorder August Fáilte Overstock. Lovely to have you with us now this Monday evening. Glorious sunshine right up and down the country this weekend. Hope you managed to enjoy some lovely shots there through Bunratty Castle down in County Clare. And this is the system that brought all that clear weather earlier on today, although we will see cloud cover build in bulk now as we edge across into the week. So the overview for the next couple of days, sunshine slipping there as that high pressure moves away in valleys there on average at 9 degrees Celsius. Out and about now to some of your photos. Wildlife shots here at Clongriffin in Dublin. Lovely seagulls there from Michael Mullo, and also beautiful vixen down across the River Dodder there in Dublin from Clodagh Blake. Oh no, what an absolutely beautiful shot. Anyway, in terms of weather right across into tonight, we'll see clear skies the further south, we think, allowing for a sharp frost too. So then cloudier the further west and north we go. Patchy light rain and drizzle into northern coast. Again, it will be a cold night ahead. Overnight lows there about 1 to 7 on average, but falling back to about -1, -2 underneath those clearer spells. So cold and frosty start into tomorrow morning, especially across the southern half of the country. Pockets of sunshine there, South Tip, Cork, Kerry, onto the east coast as well. And working away then through tomorrow. Mostly cloudy, best of sunshine through parts of Munster into southern Leinster. Patchy light rain and drizzle then through northern and northwestern coast. Light variable breezes turning to the southwest there off those Ulster and Connaught County coastlines, 8 to 11 in terms of those temperatures. Now for our islands, there will be a mixture of sunshine and scattered showers. Again, that southerly airflow in the driving seat for tomorrow. Temperatures there for them at 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. So in summary, for tomorrow, the 21st of January,